Hello dear friends. Today we're going to make a cotton candy squishy. The method is very simple and easy, so let's do it step by step together. Let's get started. Prepare some cotton and pastel colors. Use the pastels to color the cotton. When you're done, make sure to wash your hands. If you like, you can also leave it uncolored and make a white cotton candy. Next, take as much cotton as you want and roll it into a round shape. Then place the cotton onto a cotton swab. Apply a little glue to the swab and fix the cotton onto it. Now your cotton candy is ready. Finally, let's package it. Prepare a transparent bag or colored paper. Cut it slightly bigger than the cotton candy. Take the sides together. Put the cotton candy inside and close the bottom. Use a thin piece of tape to secure it. If you have a string, you can tie it over the tape. If you don't have a string, that's okay too. And just like that, your cotton candy squishy is complete. See you in the next video. Goodbye.